Welcome to a new video lecture. Today we will discuss a very new concept related with the influence line diagram on arches. In this video lecture we will discuss how to draw the influence line diagram for horizontal thrust when a unit load traveling across the arch. Okay. So the lectures related with the arches and the influence line diagram we already discussed in the previous lectures. So those who did not watch, please go and watch those lectures. Okay. So now we will move on to the topic. A 3-hinged arch is given and a 1 kilonewton is traveling through this arch. Then what is the variation of this horizontal thrust? We have to calculate the value of this horizontal thrust value. And the span length is, total span length is capital L. And if you are going to take the moment about the point A, we will know that BB multiplied by L, then here is a 1 kilonewton is here and its distance from the support A is given as X. Okay, so we will get the value as VB equals X by L. Then we know that BA plus VB, BA plus VB equals 1, and if you substitute the values, you will finally get L minus X by L. Okay, so this is the values for VB and VA. Then, when the load is in between this A and C, this portion, and if you are going to take the moment about the point C, sigma n C equal to 0, we will get the value of horizontal thrust as H equals X by 2H. If you substitute, taking the moment about C, you will get VB multiplied by L by 2 equals H multiplied by this vertical distance. Okay, so we will finally get this value. And if you substitute, when the load is, that means when X equal to 0, if you substitute the value, horizontal thrust value is going to be 0. Then after a point of time, this load will reach at this point. Then what about the value? Then if you substitute X equal to L by 2, the value will become L by 4H. Okay. Then after a point of time, this load will come to this position. The 1 kilonewton is acting in between this BC portion. Then we can calculate the moment, that is taking the moment about the point C, BA multiplied by L by 2 equals H multiplied by H. Okay, so we will get the equation as H equals L minus X by 2H. Then we have to consider from here, then X equal to L by 2, the value is again going to be the same value, H equal to L by 4H. Then when X equal to L, it is going to be 0. So we can easily draw the diagram that when X equal to 0, it is going to be horizontal thrust equal to 0. Then when X equal to L by 2, the value is going to be L by 4H. When X equal to L, it is going to be H equal to 0. So this is the ILD for horizontal thrust. Okay, the upcoming lectures we will discuss how to draw the influence line diagram for normal thrust, then radial shear, then bending moment, etc. So I hope the section is clear. With this we will end up today's section. Thank you all.